Hello.
I am, Mom.
Hey. Where's everyone else? These the only ones here?
Oh, at the moment, the rest
Oh.
are on their way.
Oh, that's cool. What's happening? Is that a cool party? So is there a party here later?
Yes, there is.
You guys should dance too. It's fun. Everybody could dance. It's not just for the ladies. Boys can do it too.
That's not what the idea of the club is, Junior.
Hey, I'm 31, not junior.
Lars and Evil here have been here before. They know the drill.
I know drill too. I go hardware store. I know drill. I know hammer. I know lots of tools. So what's happening at this party later today? What kind of party is it? Birthday party?
Okay, who are you? Who are you?
I'm Bjuul?
No, who are you?
Me or is someone you're seeing on screen?
No. Who do you normally play?
Me?
This is an alt, yes.
No, this is my.
We don't normally have birthday parties here, so who are you?
I'm just here. I'm trying to enjoy my time.
Who are you?
My name is Bjuul.
I doubt that. Who's your primary? Who do you normally play on?
This one. I just signed up like 5 days ago.
No, you don't. Oh, come on. No, you don't.
I'm being 100% honest. How can I prove it? You let me know.
No.
I've never even been here before. I don't know what kind of parties there are. It could be birthday party.
Hi,
Everyone has a
Shiloh.
birthday.
Apple Box, babe.
I have a birthday. You have a birthday. Everyone has one.
Right, and you didn't just sign up 5 days ago.
I lost my
How do
body.
you know?
I
Well,
know, Lars.
Because I'm looking at your
Hands
profile,
are in my
dude, and it
pocket.
says you're 8 years
Wait,
old,
in
so...
my pocket.
Oh, you got me on that one.
Who are you? Come on.
My name is Bjuul. It says right above my head, Bjuul
No,
Ulderport.
you're not.
But then who am I?
Hey, Shyla.
Trying to figure that out.
Okay.
We
Well-
using the
I know you're
Flunko
not.
stance ball.
You can let me know the detective process. I'll help. I want to help you figure who I am
It looks
out
cool.
too.
Ooh.
Shiloh, he won't tell me who he really is.
I'm not lying.
Howdy, Shadow.
Hey, buddy. We're having a good birthday party in here today. Hope you can join and have a good dance.
Nobody
time.
said it was a birthday party.
Well, no one said it wasn't.
Why do you think it's a birthday party?
I don't know. What other kind of parties are there?
There's all kinds of parties.
Okay, so
You like to party, just a party.
I only ever been to a birthday party. My cousin's birthday party when he would turn 14. It was really bad. I got food poisoning. I had to go to the hospital.
You stand fucking still.
Me? I'll stand still. There you go.
That's better.
Okay. Can I move again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, thank you. Are you hacking my profile?
I don't need you to stop moving for a profile.
Okay.
But
Whoa! How did I jump? How am I doing it? I'm on the roof. That's cool. I can fly. Hey, guys, check it out. I'm flying high.
So how did you find Sturgis?
why
I
are you
searched
8 years old and
motorcycle.
dressed like a troll?
No, I like motorcycle.
So you search motorcycle?
Yeah, I searched motorcycle and this came up. How did you guys
Let me
find
see.
it?
Bicycle.
Let's see.
Do you know good
know the
bicycle
owner?
place? I like bicycles too, but
Damn good place.
I don't know a good bicycle place. But this is a cool motorcycle place.
Why did you go quiet on me?
No.
Huh?
Who?
You.
Oh, sorry.
You know
I thought.
Mozzie?
Wait, sorry. What?
Do you know Mozzie?
I don't know any of the people that you know. I think.
Okay, here's the deal. Right?
Stick a bat up your butt there, buddy.
This guy is too
You
quiet.
will
I can't hear
behave
him.
in here. Hey, listen, Mr. BJ. Whatever
Attention.
your name is.
I have full attention.
You will behave in here. You will not mention a birthday party. If so, I'm going to have Lars toss you to the
I'm
moon.
part
You
of
got it?
Okay, that's fine.
You will behave.
I'm
Are you
behaving.
sure?
Or that little short shit right there, I'll be the shit.
Oh, don't do that. I'm not trying to get a bruise on my old noggin.
What happened though?
Bjuul Ulderport. Might be a name from the Netherlands.
It's Bjuul. The J is a softer J. It's Bjuul Ulderport.
Huh?
My name. He commented about my name, and I just tell him his Finnish name. Bjuul Ulderport. That's how you pronounce it.
Is he still running his mouth, or does he calm down?
He's talking about me? Sir? Excuse me? Excuse me, small man? You talk about me?
Can you like back up from people a little bit though, Bjuul?
Oh, sorry. I thought he was talking
don't
about me.
I think he needs to move it closer to here.
Okay, good. I don't block his.
Hey everyone.
He knows I can still hear him? He's being very rude to me. Why is he rude to me?
You're.
Hey, how did I keep
Okay,
flying?
Can we start a conference, ladies?
I thought there was no
please?
flying
You're an
here.
astronaut.
Yep,
You're
I'll
a
get it,
fucking
Mama.
astronaut.
How do I
What?
keep flying? I love dancing. It's a good way to relieve stress. I just come here.
Jack off if you-
I like coming here to unwind after a long, hard day at the factory.
Be a magician for all I know.
That'd be cool. Do spellcast. Magic missile.
Oh, juggler.
Battle Voldemort.
I'll be right back.
Hurry back.
Hurry
Fox.
back.
Oh, you fell off the block. Oh, you're dancing with me.
So tell me who you are.
We're best
Please?
friends now.
There's
No,
like
tell me who you are.
I know who I am, I think.
It's nobody you know, bitch.
You think?
I think. I don't know. You keep asking me, and I'm starting to doubt it myself. I knew who I was up until you started saying, "Who are you?" You just questioned my sense of identity.
Guess whose birthday it is today? Dave
See,
Navarro's.
It is a birthday party. You guys,
It's Dave Navarro's. Oh.
yeah,
Dave Navarro's birthday.
that's right. I knew it
Okay.
the whole time.
Okay, Lars, that's worse.
You guys were just
There's your
kidding with
can.
me.
Instead of being the
Wait,
headless
don't-
horseman, he's the body. He's missing his body instead of his head.
You can still tell he's friggin' ripped, though.
Hey, you hush over there. That's my unkie.
I'm just admiring the view.
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll
Whoa.
admire it from
Whoa.
further away.
Okay. Can I admire it from over here?
No, you can't admire me.
You don't have control over my mind.
Yeah, I do.
How?
I will melt your fucking brain.
Whoa, how did you learn how to do that? Is there a YouTube tutorial for it?
Yes, there is.
Oh, I'm gonna go look that up. I'll be right back.
There you go. Okay, take your time.